think nursing and home care is important because for people who've worked hard all their lives, the idea of institutionalised care is unattractive, and they really want to stay in their own homes where their own independence is maximised.
We have two departments here at Consultus helping our clients. The nursing department that supply qualified registered nurses, the care at home department who supply carers who range from qualified healthcare professionals to those who've looked after loved ones at home, and they're nurtured and trained by us. And we found that they bring with them a wealth of life skills and experience.
We can support clients and their families during times of crisis. Most people would prefer to be at home. Research has shown that people recover a lot quicker. They can have their family around them, they're in familiar surroundings, and they have a dedicated nurse who's there 24/7 looking after their medical needs.
Our care consultants have been chosen particularly for the experience in healthcare backgrounds, and they can deliver the very needs of every single client. They will go into detail with the client and their family about what they are needing from us, and we will deliver that for them.
I felt that when I was talking to the people here, they were genuine, open people who were asking questions. They cared about the answers, and they were genuinely seeking to match my dad's needs to their carer, and they weren't just ticking boxes.
The care consultant walked us through a lot of questions that helped them to define what sort of care we needed, and very quickly came up with a person that they thought would be suitable for my mum, and they couldn't have picked anyone better.
I have never gone anywhere where I felt, oh dear, this is a person that I'm really not suited to being with.
We ask specifically for interests and hobbies, perhaps of both client and carer, and if we can then find a shared interest.
They built personal relationships with us and my dad, and he looked forward to seeing the carers.
Consultus selects carers and nurses through a thorough application process from start to finish, guiding the carers and nurses throughout every step of the application.
I felt impressed with the way they interviewed me. I thought, oh, this sounds like a good agency to join, and I have to be constantly updating my nursing practice, which I have done.
The training department offers tailored courses for carers and nurses, providing care and support every step of the way.
The levels of testimonials we get really are extraordinary and very gratifying for our staff here.
She looks after me. It's like being in a first-class hotel. She's a very good cook, and we go out together for exercise, and we just rub along quite well together, don't we?
Yeah.
Yes, I feel much better to be back home.
I chose to work for Consultus because I wanted to nurse the patients to a very high standard.
It's really rewarding working for a company that can provide a service that can genuinely help people.
You know, it's like looking after your own mother or sister.
It's a very rewarding job. It is such a privilege.
They're a great team. I would highly recommend Consultus without a shadow of a doubt.
Would I recommend them? I already have.